Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure the device is on a supported iOS version and signed into the Apple ID that owns apps. Once done, open Settings and go to Screen Time or Restrictions to verify App Store isn't disabled, because that's the most common silent blocker. You'll also connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in power if battery is low. These actions reduce interruptions during the restorative steps that follow. Now you fix visibility and account issues. Disable any restriction toggles that prevent installing or opening the App Store, since hidden permissions are often the culprit. Once that's set, use Reset Home Screen Layout to surface a lost icon. This clears folders that may hide it. If it remains missing, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in and perform a full restart. These steps refresh system services and frequently restore the App Store link. If the App Store still won't return, update iOS or reinstall the system. Connect to your computer, backup, and use Finder or Recovery mode to reinstall iOS without erasing, or choose a full restore if needed. Once complete, sign back in and confirm App Store presence. If problems persist, you contact Apple support or visit a Genius bar. Bring proof of purchase and your device. Quick tip: keep a backup before any restore. It's your safety net if data disappears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.